Good to see you all again at Wealthy Coin. This Shiba Inu sign is quite important, so keep an eye on it. Impending catastrophic losses. Recent developments at SHIB. There are few meme coins as widespread as Shiba Inu in the Bitcoin market. The ability to burn SHIB was introduced earlier this year. There has been an uptick in the Shiba Inu burn rate. The burn rate of Shiba Inu increased by more than 1900% in the past day, as recorded by the burn tracker ShibBurn. There has been a permanent locking of 268,160,328 SHIB into unspendable wallets. This video will go over the important Shiba Inu indicator that you should pay attention to if you want to know what's going to happen with SHIB in the near future. To stay updated on our latest material about Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to the channel. We will start the video without further ado. Price activity for Shiba Inu has been vacillating between bulls and bears with little movement in any direction. Considering these factors in light of the present uncertain week in financial markets raises concerns, and the fact that it took until the weekend to see any kind of direction at all is frustrating. That problem is that the SHIB price action is disjointed. There isn't a lot of trade volume, and the market will eventually catch up to reality. Considering that the global markets were aflame for nearly 4 consecutive trading dates, it is puzzling to observe such a subdued price reaction when bulls attempted to achieve a breakout and initiate a rally away from the trend line. SHIB price is unconcerned by the large-scale movements that prevented markets from collapsing, suggesting that it still has some ground to make up. In terms of reality compared to other asset classes, the fact that the price movement is still supported could be a contributing factor, that is by 0.00000011 USD. That being said, there is a long number of tail risks that will begin to affect SHIB pricing action shortly, so don't anticipate it to hold. There will be a precipitous drop to 0.00000712 USD after that, and the 0.000000000000 USD barrier will be permanently removed. It won't matter if the SHIB price can break out of the red falling trend line. The 55-day simple moving average, which appears as the initial price cap at $0.000000 presents the subsequent difficulty. As it did in the summer, the 200-day simple moving average $0.00000150 will limit the rally for the bears if that one doesn't work. With 382 transactions in September, the Shiba community burned about 1,743,878,414 SHIBs utilizing the SHIB burn portal. Out of the initial supply, 410381804446243 SHIBs have been burned. There have been 9 burned transactions to dead wallets, and $267 million worth of SHIB has burned within 24 hours, according to data from the SHIB burn website. The first copy of Shiba Eternity hit store shelves in Australia on September 17th. On September 17th and 18th, the Shiba Inu population grew by over 7%. Nonetheless, new information on the game's release can increase enthusiasm. In addition, the SHIB price has not changed noticeably. The 24-hour trading volume for Shiba Inu today was $280,760,792, and the price was $0.00000011. According to CoinMarketCap, SHIB is worth $6 billion, a week from now the much anticipated Shiba Inu game will reportedly be released worldwide per the official announcement. On October 6, 2022, fans all across the globe were able to purchase Shiba Eternity, a collectible card game featuring Shiba Inu. Satoshi Kusama, the head developer of the ecosystem, has said that October 1, 2022 will be the day of the game's lore and planned release, in a Twitter Space event that took place. On September 23rd, the SHIB crew hinted that the download day for Shiba Eternity will be October 1st. The community's goal remains the same: to get Shiba Eternity to the top of the App Store rankings, where it will receive a lot of attention regardless of the change in download day. Players of Shiba Inu can toggle between training for epic card battles and competing in single-player campaigns. At the moment, there is a trailer contest that the game's creators are running. The challenge is to create a 30-second video showcasing the app. SHIB tokens valued at $5,000 will be awarded to the winner of the contest, as stated by the organizers. On the other hand, new data from crypto analytics firm Whale Stats shows that Ethereum whales are still buying SHIB tokens in large quantities. On September 28th, the volume of transactions using SHIB tokens increased over $23.50 million. Further price increases for SHIB may be possible if the Shiba Eternity download days live up to expectations. Satoshi Kusama, lead developer of the Shiba Inu game, has gave additional facts about the function of Shiberia and how the game's earnings will be used in a series of tweets published by Lucy Sazankova, alias Gossip Shib. This self-sufficient developer claims that they will put some of the money they make back into the community. Also, he said that some of it would go to charities that are doing good deeds without expecting anything in return. The developer claims that at least 45% of the game's earnings will go toward these projects, but he doesn't say what percentage exactly. The community is aware of the intended use of half of the earnings, including the additional 5% that Crypto Basic has already said will be reserved for burning. The remaining half of the revenues, according to Kusama, will be used as a trade secret to make sure the game does well in comparison to others. The community will utilize Meaning Bone to vote for businesses they would like the network to invest in. At the same time, Kusama points out that the blockchain version of the game will allow Shiboshi holders to rent out their tokens to other players in order to receive prizes, and even if they are unable to lease their property, Shiboshi holders will still get consolation awards. All of this, says Kusama, will function on Shiba Inu. Notably, Kusama has now divulged the card collection game's backstory. Notable plot points include intergalactic conflicts and evolving species. As pointed out by Gossip Shib in another tweet, the creator went on to say that the game can be ended at any point. So, as the game develops, creators can constantly add more features. Notably, so far only 3 countries, Australia, Vietnam, and Indonesia, have released the Shiba Inu card collection game. Regardless, it has managed to earn a 4.9-star rating. The new release date for the game is October 6th, which is approximately 3 days away, as announced by Crypto Basic at the month's conclusion. On the day of the launch, Kusama is still begging the fans to download the game in droves. All users, but especially gamers, should see a decrease in gas costs and an increase in scalability with the latest Shiba Inu ecosystem upgrade. This will undoubtedly contribute to the platform's already substantial popularity and is fantastic news for the community. I don't know if this will be enough to make the coin rally. Investors and traders are on edge due to the recent interest rate hike and reports of deteriorating year-over-year inflation. Price drops amount to 25.06% from September 10th high. Additional economic difficulties may be in the horizon if this troubling pattern continues. With a price range of $0.00001038, the token is likely to see a relief rally. This range shows a considerable improvement from the token's low point on September 21st, suggesting that the market is beginning to bounce back. The most recent drop, at $0.00001192 USD, stands as a barrier. Any gains towards the 78.60 level will be easily taken advantage of by bulls, making this level crucial. There may be more price gains in store if the bulls are able to break through the resistance. Since SHIB is an Ethereum-based cryptocurrency, its value fluctuates in tandem with the Ethereum ecosystem. The present state of the market can amplify this volatility, causing the token's value to plummet. Although the financial markets have been falling as of late, SHIB stands to gain if and when they begin to rise again. When it comes to predicting market movements, SHIB is your man. SHIB is expected to do the same. Investors in the economy benefit from this. So concludes today's activities. To view our most recent videos, please subscribe, share, and give us a big thumbs up.